This one's old school. He got a gold chain and you know he's hardcore, man. Rolling around like Ichiro Suzuki. Manners top, #1 of the land. Kicking old school with my gram and grandpa. Grandpa owns a little old shop. He sold pigs like cold pop. Beer and cigarettes for the #1. You know who that is? Oh, it's Ryan. Ryan. Ryan.
When I look at myself in the mirror, I see ugliness, hair, fear. I burn it all day, burn it all night. I got red hair on fire, right?
When I spit, it comes out like lava. When you hear me, you're like, oh, grab the balaclava. Cover up my face so that you don't know who I am. I kill your man like I killed your Sam. Sam was a man who came to my place. He said, yo, I don't want you, straight to my face. I said, Sam, that's whack, man. I'm gonna have to crack, man, your neck with my neck, snap, man.
That's why we pull out the soap.
Word.
I know what to do.